Hey guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Today I've got I know I kind of did a food haul and now we're doing another like supermarket related video, but it is what it is. Today I've got a like best of or what to buy in Lidl kind of video, because I didn't used to be a Lidl fan, but since they built a new Lidl in my town, I am quite a Lidl fan, mainly because it's not that busy, although I went today and it was quite busy, and I much prefer going to like a big supermarket during these times because you can distance yourself more, and the aisles are much smaller in Aldi and Lidl. And I always used to like Aldi more previous to actually going into a good Lidl, because Mum used to go to Aldi and stuff like that, and there is stuff in Aldi that I would recommend over Lidl, and some stuff in Lidl can be hit or miss. I don't really like fruit and veg from there. It can be a bit hit or miss with that, just depending on what you get. Crisps I do not like from Lidl at all. They don't have any flavour or anything, but some of the Aldi crisps are quite nice. I'm going to show you a few things that I think are like the best of what I have tried. I've not tried an awful lot, so I'm going to start with like non-food related, and like bleach. Now I do really like Aldi and Lidl bleach. I know it's so weird, but the thing I like about it, I'm not going to open it because I haven't opened this one, but the nozzle of it, well, when you open it and then it's got like a spout, and that means you can get like precisely around the loo and stuff, so I really like it, and it is only 39p, so yeah, I don't mind Aldi or Lidl on that, but their bleach is better, and I'm not going to spend like £1 something on Domestos. It's just going to go down the loo, and it does the trick, and it's better than Tesco one because it does. Tesco's don't have nozzle, Aldi and Lidl do. Wipes. These wipes are, I don't know how much, oh actually no I do. Do I? No, I didn't buy any today. I don't know how much these are, but they're under £1 and they're really good. You get 80 large wipes in them, and Tesco's ones are more expensive than that, and they're like £1. These are much better, and don't rate the Wilko ones. If you remember last year I went to Wilko and bought loads of wipes, don't rate those at all, but these ones are really good for how much they are. Something like health and beauty related, not tried that much from Lidl. I'll put up here when I tried their fragrances, which are actually quite good. From like the cheaper range, I think there's a more deluxe range of fragrances, but something I do really like, and I'm not sure I've really mentioned, but it's this, which is the SOS concentrated hand cream. I love this. It's like the Neutrogena Norwegian formula one, and it's just really nice and gets your hands moisturised really well. You don't need a lot, and it just works really nicely, and it's like 59p or something like that. This was really hard to come by at Christmas and around that time, so whenever I go in there and see it, I buy it. Didn't buy it today, but I've got like 4 of these in backup because they're so nice and I don't want it to ever run out. And then a few things from the food section. One I haven't got here, but like the Coca-Cola, their version I actually like. It's probably got loads of millions of chemicals in it, but it's like 19p for like 2 litres. I don't really buy it anymore because, as I said, it's probably got loads of chemicals in it and it's probably really bad for you, but if you just want a cheap Coca-Cola that actually tastes like Coca-Cola, the Lidl one is great. Lidl bakery is insane. I've got 2 Lidls in my town. One doesn't have like a proper bakery, the other does, and it's like heaven. It's so cheap. These crusty roll things, like mini tiny baguettes, are 19p each, and they've got like loads of pastries and like croissants and donuts. They do like mini pizzas that you can buy, and they're like 75p, really nice as well. I've tried those in the past. They do like long baguettes for like 22p, crusty rolls for 19p. So much nice bakery stuff, and it's like really nice presented. It looks like an actual bakery, and it's just so nice. The smell is there when you walk in. It's just lovely. I love it. I don't think Aldi has that, or like the Aldi's in my town don't have that, but Lidl wins over the bakery. And then lastly, my absolute favourite thing to buy from Lidl. I didn't get any today, did I? No, because I didn't want to go down like the sweet and chocolate aisle because it was just too busy. Jaffa cakes. These, in my opinion, controversial opinion, are better than the McVitie's ones. Way better than like Tesco's, and they're on par with M&S. They are literally the same as M&S, except they're round rather than squares. M&S ones are like a rectangular shape. These are round, they taste the same, they're so thin, they're so nice. The M&S ones are so nice. If you've had the M&S ones, these are exactly the same, but like, how much are they? They are 79p for 24 of them. They are so nice. I love them. I could eat the whole packet. So light, so nice, so thin, so much flavour. They are really nice. Highly recommend if you're going to buy one thing in Lidl, buy these because they are amazing. So yeah, there's a few items from Lidl that I think are the best picks if you're going to go there to pick up and buy, especially the bakery. The bakery is amazing. Jaffa cakes. So yeah, tell me in the comments below what is your favourite item or your best picks from Lidl, and then I can have a try and see if I like them as well. Always looking for new things. I do find like Lidl and Aldi quite overwhelming because everything is only on like 5 aisles, and like it just means like everything is there. I find it quite hard to find things sometimes, whereas in like Tesco's you have a whole aisle for different things. So I do find it quite overwhelming, and I do find like going to a new supermarket overwhelming because I don't know where the stuff is in my Tesco's. I know the layout, I know where things are, I can just go and get them and then be done, especially in this current climate. I know where my way around my Lidl now a bit, but I haven't really ventured into the meats. I have ventured into the yogurts and juices, which are really nice. Their juices are really nice for how much they are, especially the cloudy apple juice is lovely, and the butter. The olive oil spread is really nice. The one from Tesco's just doesn't do anything, but the one from Aldi, Lidl is my go-to. I use that. I don't really use proper butter. I use like olive oil spread, which doesn't taste anything like olives or anything, but it's really nice and really affordable. It looks the same as that brand that begins with B, which I can't remember what it is. But yeah, the yogurts are really good as well, but I'm kind of not eating proper yogurt. I'm on like vegan yogurt at the moment because I'm trying to reduce the amount of dairy in my diet a little bit. Not really, I still eat cheese and that, and I've not really delved into like the whole frozen food section, only delved a bit. But yes, and I've not delved in the wines. I know I was like queuing for the till today, and the wine section is obviously vast, and like that's a bit overwhelming for someone who especially doesn't drink wine too often. So I'm not really into that, and also they've got quite a lot of beers and stuff, and I think they've got like their own version of like Corona and stuff. But yeah, tell me in the comments below what you have been enjoying in Lidl recently, what are your top picks, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.